Hagani ke Jingialang kabalalum do ba Prestone tensong lawan banishim bentalang do Chief Secretary ke Jelau ba DP Walang ki Head Officer Sarkar ki Head National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited NHIDCL pat kiwe. Habai keren bagi nong patai kubor ba Prestone tensong ulong bagi kam ki jam ke layat kelenti ke badai bat hakabai bagi Shg-Western bypass ki Deputy Commissioner jong district Ribhoi bat East Khasi Hills keladap ban ai yakatukan ki jaka syaka NHIDCL. Ulong basyan on sa IT ya kijaka baro pansnai ke Surok syaka NHIDCL bade ke work order ladap ban IT syaki contractor. Uba Prestone tensong ula pentip mementai kelas sedang biang ban beteng ya ke Jingshna ke Surok Shg-Dawki la kadai ka 4 lane ne ka package 12 but 4.
When we see, I do review meeting with the NHSL and then all the concerned department for the implementation of Shg-Dawki road, and number 2 is for the Western bypass. So right now everything is on track, and as far as Western bypass is concerned, even the possession of land has been partly handed over to the NHIDCL. Both the DCs, one is from East Castles and number 2 is from Ribhoi district. So land possession has been handed over partly, and very soon I'm very sure we'll be able to hand over the entire stretch of this road length, whatever, to the NHIDCL, because the work order also have been issued to the contractors. Well, the Shg-Dawki road, the work is has just started again. I think you must have seen it, be it the 4 lane or be it the package 2, package 1, package 2 and package 4. They have just started, and I'm very sure. Of course, I don't have the percentage of work done, but maybe very soon I will get all the details from the NHIDCL.